Hi! Today I'll show you how to fix these Apple AirPods Pro in-ear headphones, which have had all their wires torn off. This guide will also work for any in-ear or earbud-style headphones with broken or ripped wires. In this case, my grandma tried to remove the silicone earbud tips and accidentally broke off one of the earbuds, ripping all the wires inside. To fix these earbuds, you'll need to borrow the cheapest soldering iron from your grandma and a few basic tools. The next step is figuring out how the earbud housing fits back together properly. In this case, it's simple. One side of the housing has a groove and the other has a pin. Align them to snap the earbud back together. The next issue is that the wires have been ripped off quite far and the original wire lengths are too short to resolder. So we'll need to take the earbuds apart even further to replace the wires completely. Find 3 thin wires. Old wired headphones are perfect for this. Just take the wires from them. Tin the ends of all 3 wires. This will make soldering them to the contacts much easier. Desolder the old wires. In this case, there are 3. 2 for the speaker and 1 for the antenna or sensor. Pull out the old wires completely. Also, desolder the broken wires. Then, solder in the new ones. 1 to the antenna contact and 2 to the speaker driver. Once all 3 wires are soldered, twist them slightly together to make it easier to push them through the headphone housing. Then, after gently adjusting the battery, close the earbud housing. Carefully pull out the main board so you can access the contacts where the new wires will be soldered. Start by soldering the wire that is closest to the housing. Tin it just short enough to reach the board contact. If the wire is too long, it won't fit back inside the earbud housing. Solder the first wire to the contact marked ear, whatever that means. Then, solder the remaining 2 wires. It's important to remember which wire color was soldered to the marked contact on the speaker driver. That's the positive wire. That same colored wire should now solder to the S+, speaker plus contact on the board. The last wire goes to the S-, speaker minus contact. Once all wires are soldered, gently push the main board back into the earbud housing. Make sure it's positioned exactly like the one in the other earbud. If it's rotated incorrectly, the earbud won't charge. Play some music and test if the earbud works properly. You can also use a phase test video. If the audio sounds weird, simply swap the wires on the S+ and S- contacts. That will fix the phase alignment between both earbuds. Finally, use a small drop of glue to secure the main board and the housing in place. I hope this was helpful. As always, if you run into any issues during the repair, feel free to leave a comment under this video. But now, I wish you good luck.